The peroxide ions has a single covalent bond between the two oxygen atoms. Each oxygen atom carries a negative charge. Draw a dot and cross diagram for the peroxide ion. Show outer electrons only. Okay, so whenever we have to draw the dot and cross diagram, first we count the total number of valence electrons. Right, so in case of peroxide ion, which is O2 minus, in the question told us that it has a single covalent bond, right? It has a single covalent bond between the two oxygen atoms, and each oxygen atom carries a negative charge. Means both the oxygen atoms has gain an electron. All right, so first we count the total number of valence electrons. So oxygen belongs to group 6. That means it has 6 valence electron, and as there are 2 oxygen atoms, so it would be 6 multiplied by 2, and due to this charge 2 minus, that means both the oxygen atom has gained 1 electron, so it would be total 2 electrons. So 2 electrons would be added in these electrons, so the total number of electrons would be 14. So this peroxide ion structure has total of 14 electrons present in it. Alright, so we have to draw 14 electrons. Now let's draw 2 oxygen atoms which are making bond with each other. So this is one oxygen atom and this is another oxygen atom, right? And both the oxygen atoms will be sharing 1 electron each. At least they will be sharing 1 electron each. So this would be a bond pair, and the rest of the electrons we will draw as lone pairs, right? So let's suppose we draw them by cross. So 2 electrons and then 3, 4. So now these are total 14 electrons. But as both the oxygen atoms have gained 1 electron, so one of the electron of both the oxygen atoms will be drawn by dot, just to show that this is the electron that both the oxygen atoms have gained, right? So we will draw 1 electron by dot because both the oxygen atoms has gained 1 electron. So now this is the correct representation or dot and cross diagram for peroxide ion. But you can also show the charge as well. If you want to show the charge, it would have a -2 charge.